Have you ever felt like saving money is impossible? Like no matter how much you try, your bank account never seems to grow? Well, what if I told you that you could save $10,000 in 2025, even if you're on a tight budget? Sounds crazy, right? But stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step plan to make it happen. Chapter 1, breaking it down. First, let's break this down into smaller, more manageable goals. Saving $10,000 in 1 year means $833 per month, $192 per week, $27 per day. When you look at it like this, it suddenly feels more achievable, right? Now let's get into the strategies that will help you do it. Chapter 2, reducing expenses. The first step is to cut down on unnecessary spending. Let's talk about where you might be losing money without even realizing it. 1. Cut out subscriptions you don't need. How many subscriptions are you paying for? Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships? If you're not using them regularly, cut them out. Even saving $30 a month adds up to $360 a year. 2. Reduce eating out and coffee runs. That $5 coffee? That's $1,825 a year if you buy one daily. Cooking at home and making your own coffee can save you hundreds, if not thousands, annually. 3. Renegotiate your bills. Did you know you can call your internet, phone, and insurance providers and ask for discounts? Many companies will lower your bill if you simply ask or threaten to switch providers. Use public transport or carpool. If possible, reduce gas and parking expenses by using public transport, biking, or carpooling. Even cutting $50 a month saves you $600 a year. Chapter 3, boosting your income. Cutting expenses helps, but let's be real. Sometimes we just need to make more money. Here are 4 ways to increase your income. 1. Start a side hustle. Freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn can bring in extra cash. If you make just $100 extra per week, that's $5,200 per year. 2. Sell unused items. Go through your house and sell things you don't use. Old gadgets, clothes, furniture. You could easily make a few $100s just by decluttering. 3. Ask for a raise or work overtime. If you have a job, don't be afraid to ask for a raise or take on extra shifts. An extra $200 a month gets you $2,400 a year. 4. Passive income. Consider investing in stocks, rental properties, or digital products that generate money while you sleep. Chapter 4, savings hacks and challenges. Now that we've increased income and cut expenses, here are some powerful saving techniques to help you stay on track. 1. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer of $833 per month to your savings account, so you never forget to save. Use the 50-30-20 budget rule. 50% needs, rent, food, utilities. 30% wants, entertainment, shopping. 20% savings, or more if possible. 3. Try a savings challenge, no spend month. Avoid all non-essential spending for 30 days. $5 or $10 challenge. Save every $5 or $10 bill you get. 52-week challenge. Save $1 in week 1, $2 in week 2, up to $52 in week 52. That's $1,378 saved in 1 year. Chapter 5, staying motivated. Saving money isn't just about numbers. It's about staying motivated and keeping your goal in sight. 1. Track your progress. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or Excel to track your savings journey. Seeing your progress will keep you inspired. 2. Find an accountability partner. Tell a friend or family member about your goal. Having someone to check in with can keep you accountable. 3. Reward yourself for milestones. Every time you save $2,500, give yourself a small reward, like a nice dinner or a day off. So there you have it. If you follow these steps, cut expenses, increase income, use smart savings techniques, you can save $10,000 in 2025, even on a tight budget. The key is to stay consistent and start now. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Let's make 2025 our best financial year yet.